and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for always watching my videos, liking, commenting, sharing, but most important, for consuming my content. I am so grateful. But if you're here for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button, the red button. For the new subscribers, karibu sana. Feel welcomed. Here we talk all matters nutrition and health, to make sure that we live or you have a healthy lifestyle, because we care about your nutritional status and we care about your overall health. So back in the kitchen to give you amazing nutrition and diet tips. And today we are preparing something special. We are preparing special tea. Special because it has some medicinal benefits that can help you prevent and also that can help you manage some of the diseases. So as we continue watching this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and also get interactive on the comment section. You can make your suggestion on the comment section. Let me get to know what you'd like me to discuss or maybe even prepare. So let's see what we have for our specialty. So this is what we have. It might not look familiar to you, but they are the tamarind or Ukwaju. Maybe you can let me get to know the comment section. How do you call them in your local language? I'm a Kikuyu, but sijui venye zinaitwa na Kikuyu, but in Kamba they are Nzumula. You can let me get to know on the comment section mnaziita aje kwenu. But these are the tamarind, or in Kiswahili Ukwaju, and we are going to prepare the special tea using them, and also with the ginger. Please, I had got to mebakisha small ginger, but you're going to use only these two ingredients for our special tea. Our water is already boiling, almost ready. So I'm just going to size. Is it kupeel ama ku break the outer cover? They are very fresh from the farm. So these are the Nzumula. In Kamba, in Kikuyu, I don't know. Comment down below mnaziita aje kwenu. In Masai, Kalenjin, Luo, Luya, how do you call them? So this is how they look like. Actually, in some countries they call them like dates, but these are not the dates, they are the tamarind, but they almost resemble dates. Actually, you can eat them this way, or maybe you can make tea, juice, but for today we are preparing tea. So let's prepare all of them. One thing I like about the tamarind, they are packed with numerous. Actually, they are, I can call them a powerhouse for most of the antioxidants, because they are packed with most of the polyphenols, flavonoids that they have shown to have most of the anti-inflammatory effect. So actually, tamarind, you can call them a powerhouse for like everything. And they are very expensive in the supermarket. Utapata like maybe like pack kama hii going for 600. So these are our tamarind. And also they have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. So that tells you when you consume them, you are preventing most of the diseases. The bacterial one, the viral one, and also the fungal one. Actually, they are very sticky. When you decide them to eat them this way, they have a not bitter, but they have a sour taste. Ni kama ndimu actually. And actually, when you prepare them the tea, it gives you that taste of a concoction. Actually, unaweza fikiria ni concoction umetengeneza. They give you the same feeling. And also, some people, they use them when they have constipation. They can relieve constipation. So, ni kitu tu unakunywa, unaenjoy, but you're doing your body some justice by preventing most of the diseases. If you had constipation, they can help to relieve the constipation. And also, like I have said, powerhouse for most of the antioxidant. And what antioxidant does to our body, they scavenge on the free radicals. Zenye zikiachwa roaming in the body, ndizo zina destroy our DNA, destroying our cells. And that's how cancer comes about. So anytime you hear that a food has antioxidant property, know that it helps to scavenge on those free radicals. So those are our ukwaju, or the tamarind. And I think now we can make some tea. I'm going to just cut my ginger into small pieces. My water is already boiling. Then just to add. Not sure whether you can see, but I'm just going to add the ukwaju, or the tamarind, with the ginger. And allow them to boil maybe for about 10 minutes. So let me see you after the 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of allowing our ingredients to boil, let's see what we have. Let's see our final product. I'm gonna sieve them. Actually, inakaa strong tea because we have given them enough time to extract all the juice from them. And so now this is what we have, our medicinal or special strong tea. Should we call it special strong tea? But strong tea lazima kukuwe na majani. So let's just stick to special tea. Let's see what we have. I don't know, I but I'm sure you can see. And this is our tamarind juice, very medicinal. We have talked about all the antioxidants that it has, all the polyphenols, talk of the flavonoids, a powerhouse for all the antioxidants that your body requires to scavenge all those free radicals, to fight diseases, and also to help in managing most of the diseases. And also it has the tamarinds, they have anti-inflammatory effects that shows that they prevent most of the inflammatory diseases. So this is our tea, our tamarind, very simple, very yummy. Actually, you can decide to take it that way. Actually, the taste is similar to concoction. Venye mtu uchemsha the lemon and the ginger, the taste is almost the same. You can either take it that way, or you can decide to add maybe a spoonful of honey. Maybe I can add to see whether there is difference. But actually it's a great tea that you can enjoy on that sunny afternoon, in the evening before sleeping. It's actually a tea that you can enjoy any time of the day. Let's see. The taste is almost that of dawa, the concoction, the ginger, and the lemon. But I find this one it's more sweet compared to the concoction, and also very medicinal. You're going to benefit from all the antioxidants that I have mentioned. So very simple. You only need the tamarind, your water, boiling ginger, and you get to enjoy and reap from all those health benefits. So let me get to know your thoughts on the comment section. As usual, give this video a like, comment, like I have said, tell me what you call the tamarind, the ukwaju, in your local language. And also subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new recipe, informative video, you get to be among those people that get notified. Bye bye for now.